Right, so maiden number 2. So the last time when I screw up, I stripped the servos and I don't have the spare ones, so I just bloody glued them on a hot glue, made a dipole antenna, and she's good to go. Put on Mobius for recording. Okay, here goes nothing. Now I got some expo this time, a bit more than the last time. Up. Okay, I think it was not enough elevator, so more likely a bit too much expo. All right, there's the lens. Hold on, give me a second. She's very pitchy. Okay, maiden number 3, FPV. I have visual, everything's working. Whew. Right, so now, how did that happen, huh? As I was throwing above my head, my helmet fell off. So let's try to throw it the other way. Whew, that was rather nerve-wracking. I desperately need stabilization. I fly like a fucking noob. What do we have here? 92 kilometers an hour max. Not so bad, so all it needs is more stick time. That's what it needs. Right, so she's good to go.